Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome back. Glad to be back working on this project again. It's been a while as we've had a garage sale and two of our boys have started football, and that's kind of taken up some of our Saturdays. I kind of wanted, even though it's more of the same in terms of what you've seen already with me sanding and wire wheeling, I kind of wanted to show you how long a project like this can take. Most of the video you'll see today is going to be sped up at about 20 times. So really, and there's also edits that happen and portions of video that have been cut out. Basically what I've done in this video today is taken me an entire Saturday along with portions of a Sunday. The painting happened on Sunday, and I just want to give you an idea of how much work goes into this. Busted. My wife thinks I'm a little bit crazy because I'm very particular about how things get done. You'll see throughout some of this progress I'll be using a putty knife and scraping the little chips of paint off that didn't come off from wire wheeling or sanding and whatnot, and she's like, why bother, just it's good enough. But that's just not the way I am. I feel like if I'm going to spend this time on it, I'm going to get every little thing just right. I don't want to see, once I've painted it, see little bumps where little chips of paint were still in there, so I'd rather just do it until I'm happy with it. And that's just the way I work. If duct tape is handyman's secret weapon, then I'm convinced wire wheeling is Weirdy Beardy's secret weapon. The reason I'm even bothering with wire wheeling here is I had been sanding for quite a while, and I kept thinking to myself, gosh, I remember when I was working on the headboard, this seemed like it came off so much easier. And then I remembered that I hadn't previously wire wheeled this piece like I had done the headboard, and it turns out that this took an amazing amount of the debris and rust off of it. So it was well worth the extra time I took to go back over and do this. I got this drill at an antique store that came with a antique drill press that I'm planning on featuring in a future video. All I can say is it's the best $5 I've ever spent. Please let me know what you think of the final outcome. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.